What's the meaning of Boston baked beans? Boston baked beans. Boston baked beans.
Boston baked beans. Boston baked beans. Boston baked beans is a dish that typically consists of navy beans, molasses, and salt pork, slow-cooked until the beans are tender and sweet. The result is a rich and satisfying dish that is a staple of New England cuisine. The beans take on a deep, caramelized flavor from the molasses, while the salt pork adds a savory note to the dish. This hearty and flavorful dish can be enjoyed as a side dish or as a main course, and it is often served at summer barbecues, picnics, and other casual gatherings with friends and family.